So guys, people ask one question. Sir, a lot of people using for YouTube channel hashtags. What is the purpose of with hashtag and without hashtags in the YouTube channel videos? And before that, I tell you the guys, if you learn about and complete digital marketing, we can follow my website skill2digital.com. In this website, every video will be there to follow instructions, and we are uploading a lot of videos. And for the any question will be required, just comment me on the contact form. We'll make the video and upload for the particular channel. We maintain the two channels. One will be particular Digital Rakesh. Second one will be Skill to Digital. So these two channels we can subscribe it. This will be multi-language. This will be only for English will be given by the particular videos. And Skill to Digital, you can upload the videos started by the Telugu, Hindi and English options. Now I'm started by English. Further we can started by Hindi and Telugu also. So now, so how we can purpose of hashtags? Now you can check here. Now we can go to the YouTube studio. First I'm tell you the open the one video here. First of all, in this video, what are the specification is there? So in this, they are promoting for 3 hashtags. Here, what the hashtag will be here? Social media, digital and digital marketing. Click for social media. This is one of the hashtag. Every YouTube channel will be supporting for only 3 hashtags option here. So what are the video we can upload for social media? They all will be showing for YouTube search option by using hashtags. Every video they are putting how many hashtags? Only for 3. Writing for n number of hashtags. They display only for first 3 hashtags option. Only for first 3 hashtag option. So where you can add in for every video in description part. Every video in a description part, you can add the particular hashtags. So here, social media, digital Rakesh, digital market, digital market tutorial is there. But how many will be displayed in the particular hashtag? Only 3 will be displayed. Suppose I'm remove this option. Yeah, just refresh. So here, one hashtag will be there. Check it out. Where is the hashtag? Here is the hashtag will be there. And refresh. So this video uploading for without hashtag option. In the hashtag replace, we can add one more option is there. That is called, option name is called video location. Suppose video location can add by India. Save change. Suppose you're not adding hashtag, you can add by the location also. So the video will be promoting by location wise here. So what the purpose? When searching India, their video will be promoting for search for India option. So you can go with this and today option. So what are the people are uploading here? Just the showing for in this option. So right now uploading my video, they're taking some time to the activation the links. So here, this all option will be here. Suppose this week, everybody is uploading for particular location wise. So your particular video, we have the 2 things are there by hashtag, by location wise. Anything you can use on the particular hashtag. Hashtag will be only display how many? 3 hashtags. If you're not looking for hashtag, you can add by the location option also. So further, you're not interested location also. Simple thing. Just go with this. Click for none and save this. So this video will be publishing for without hashtag and without location. So simply will be promoting by using for tags option. Anything you wish to promote by the particular video with hashtag, without hashtag or with the location and without location. Use it on the particular video, increase the viewers on the particular using hashtag option. These are specified by the my topic will be particular in the hashtag will be notified in the YouTube channel. So clear guys. So this will be assist to you every YouTube channel. Further any information required, please ask me in my comment box. I reply for the things for the about YouTube regarding option. For the any assist more required from YouTube videos, go for skilled.com website, learn the things. For the any question, ask me in the contact form. I reply for everything will be using contact form option.